everything that you've saved, even if you've saved a screenshot, you always need to save a Photoshop document or PSD file. And we can go simply to File, Save, for that to happen. And again, it's PSD, and we can title this whatever we need to. Class exercise 13, CE 13. Make sure to keep your work organized. Make sure you always upload your work to a G Drive so I can check your work in an actual physical file. That's more important for projects whenever we get there. But save everything. Upload your screenshots, save your PSDs and your other work for your G Drive. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Always hit OK to maximize compatibility. That's good. That's important. And that's saved as a PSD. There it is, CE13 PSD. I can close this. I can close my other file, and I'm ready to start something new.